Today I'm going to share how you can earn $100 daily using automatic free softwares. So what I'll share is I'll show exactly how this method works. We'll go over the different websites that you need to get started with this. Now you can earn in a number of different ways and I'll share that with you in the video. Now this is incredibly easy to get started with and it's 100% free, so you don't even need any money with this method. Now, talking about things you don't need, well, you don't need any experience, you don't need any skills, you don't need money, and you do not need to spend lots of time on this method. And you'll see exactly how to do this and how to structure everything throughout the video. Now, make sure you watch this video till the end because we're going to go over this step by step. And if you miss any of the steps, then unfortunately you won't know how to do this correctly. Once we've gone over the method, and once we've looked at different websites needed for this, I'll share with you how to make more money with this. I'll share proof of this method, and then I'll also give you the free software to run everything on autopilot. So let's jump into this video of how to make money online with using free softwares. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share a method with you to earn money online and from home, and basically with this you can do this at a time that suits you. You can apply for as many of these different positions as you want, and I'm going to share a couple of different websites with you in this video, but there's probably in total there's probably about 50 of these different websites that you can apply to and start using to earn money online. So in terms of earning money on this, you can earn as much or as little as you want, but ultimately it will always come down to how much effort you put in this. And the other thing with this method is, and it's like any method online, is don't try this method and give up after a couple of days or a week if you haven't made money instantly, because it's like anything, it takes time and effort to start building up, whether it's a business or a side venture or even just earning some extra money on the side. It's always going to take a little bit of time and effort. But in this video I'm going to share with you at the end a free software that you can use to ultimately automate this process and fast track everything. So I'm going to share 3 different websites with you and I'll share exactly how this works. So let me jump into the first website now. So this is the first website here. It's called Scribby. Now you may be wondering how this whole works. So what happens is people, and I include myself in this, come over to they're called transcription websites, and we're focusing on audio websites. Now people will come over here when they have a video file that they want transcribing. So for instance, I have obviously over on my YouTube channel here, I have all of these videos. Now some of these videos I will want them transcribing that I can then go and put on my blog or put on my Instagram account or share on different social media outlets. So I use these different transcription services and lots of big companies do. For scroll down here, I'll give you an example over on Scribby. Come down here, you can see these are some of the big companies who they've worked with on here. So people and businesses, small businesses, bloggers, podcasters, even universities and things, they come over here when they have a video file that they want transcribing. And how this works is we're going to basically become transcribers. So what will happen on here is you basically create an account on here and then you start applying for jobs, and you can see on here like how much the rates start from. So I'll drop a link to this Scribby here. Now all of this on the home page here, this is not focused for what we're going to be looking at. You want to be scrolling down to the bottom here and clicking on here, join Scribby as a transcriber. Click apply. Now that will take you through to this page here, and it goes over the overview, so how much you can expect to earn on here, and then it goes over some requirements of this. It includes a monthly bonus and other bits and bobs on here, so feel free to go ahead and have a look at this. It's got an introduction on here and it goes over the requirements, and over on this website here you need a PayPal account, but on the other two I'm going to share with you these additional options for you. So how this works is you come over onto Scribby and you apply to sign up as a transcriber. Now you might be thinking, well, how am I going to do this? Well, don't worry, because I'm going to give you the software at the end, which is 100% free and you can use this. But what happens is you get given a video file. Now you listen to that video file or you watch the video and you basically transcribe or type what is being said. It's as simple as that. And then once you've done that, you submit this and then you get paid for doing so. So this is just one website that you can use here. This is Scribby, and again I'll drop links to this down below for you. On here you've got the potential earnings on here, so you can see if you're only going to be focusing on transcription, this is how much you can be earning a month. You've then got transcription and reviews, we've got this one, we've then got transcription, reviews and proofreading, and then you've also got this one down here. Now bearing in mind this is just over on one website, so the more of these websites that you sign up to, you've got the potential to earn more. So you've got Scribby. Another website that you can use is this one here, and it's called it's called Go Transcripts. Now it's exactly the same process on here. You can see this website here, they've been featured on Forbes, Huffington Post, Entrepreneur and many more. And again, it's exactly the same where companies and businesses upload their files on here, they pay, and then they get transcripts. So to start applying for jobs over on here, if you come over to the gotranscripts.com page, and again I'll drop a link to this below for you, you're going to come here and you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to click on work. And then they've got a short video on here, but you can see there are transcription jobs available worldwide, and if you want to watch this video, feel free. It goes over how much you can earn per minute, average earnings per month, and then how much, top monthly earnings over on this website here. So again, do these transcription jobs from home and at a time that suits you. Work flexible hours, get paid reliably. What else have we got on here? Choose projects that you want to work on, and this is one of the reasons why I like this offering transcription services as an additional method to earn money online, because you can do this whenever you want. It's flexible hours. You can do this from home, on your work hour, wherever basically. And you've got lots of frequently asked questions on here, but you can go ahead and have a look at some of these. In fact, let's have a look at this. Let's click on here. So you can go through and have a read of all of the different reviews on here and see what people are saying. So let me just come out of here. So how do we do this? So we're going to literally come onto here and click on work. All of these different transcription services are all pretty much laid out the same. So I'm going to click on work, and it will open up. I'm on that page already, aren't I? So I'm going to click on apply now. Now you can sign up with social media, but basically, literally, you can just create an account on here. So on the right hand side here, you click on sign up. So if you've got a Facebook or a Google account, then you simply sign up with this, or you can just sign up with your name and email. And then it goes over some other bits on here, so about customer loyalty, access your dashboard, special offers and more. So this is another website that you can use. So we've looked at Go Transcript, we've also got Scribby, the third one you can have a look at. Now this is very popular, but I do know that this platform is quite competitive. It's called Revcom, but you get paid weekly. You've got average earnings per month, and then again top monthly earnings on here. So to sign up on here, it's a simple 3-step process. Sign up and get approved to transcribe, choose from available transcription jobs, and then this one you get paid via PayPal. Goes over benefits on here, but look, the benefits are all going to be the same on any of these different platforms. You can choose your own schedule, as you've seen here. You can work as much or as little as you want and whenever you want, and all you need is a computer and an internet connection. You really do. And then you've got testimonials on here, from people working for Rev and all the other ones, but they're all pretty much laid out the same way. So if we go up here, if you want to literally apply to work with Rev, it's name, first name, last name, email, and next. So that's 3 different websites that you can use. So you've got Rev, Go Transcript, and Scribby. Now, I said to you, if you watch this video till the end, I'll share with you the free software and how you can fast track this whole method. So what will happen is, and if you're going to try this method, I would recommend signing up to not just these 3 different websites, but go on Google and type in transcription, transcription services, online transcription jobs, and you'll find lots of these different websites. I would sign up to all of them and then start applying for the jobs. And then where the automatic part of this all comes in is you can come over to this website here, and it's called nch.com. And on here you can get access to this here. You see, Express Scribe Transcription Software. So you come over here and you click on download now, and it's really simple. So let's say for argument's sake you signed up with this Go Transcript here. You apply for a job and you get given a file that you need to start converting. With the software that you've downloaded here, it's really simple. You load it. So you see here, load the dictation. The computer or the software will then transcribe this for you, and then you simply send off the transcription. So you can see this is not going to take a lot of time on here for you. This is where the automatic part comes into here, because this software here will do this automatically for you. It goes over features, and look, there's lots more stuff on here to do with, you know, the software and other bits on here. And this website here, this NTAS software, you can find lots of different softwares on here, and they're all absolutely free. They do offer upgrades, so you can see on here, if you want the Pro Edition, you can sign up for the Pro Edition. But for this here, this simple transcription softwares, you really don't need this. So go over to these websites, Scribby, Go Transcript, Revcom, sign up to them all, start applying for different jobs. Once you get a job and you get given your file, come over here to nth.com, download the Scribe transcription software for free, click on download. Once you've got this downloaded, you simply load up the video file that you've been given. This will transcribe it for you, and then you send this off, and then you get paid for doing so. Really simple stuff. But as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you're not gonna, you know, if you start this method today, you might not maybe get accepted for a job for a couple of days. It may be a week. But the key with this is just not quitting. Just go and find as many of these transcription services and websites that you can do. Apply to them, sign up, and then just start applying for jobs. And then once you've got them, come over here and literally let it all run on autopilot for you. So that is today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll drop links to everything I've mentioned below for you. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.